Hey guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to my channel. This is Miss JD once again for another unique episode. And this video is specially dedicated to Kenneth Villadelgado. I have I have reviewed Ethereum as requested here, and we'll be sharing some insights around it regarding technical and a little bit on what's currently happening on the back end. Okay, so Kenneth, this is for you. And for those people who are also interested in other tokens, cryptocurrencies, feel free to drop a comment because even if it's just one person who requests that, I would love to review it as well because personally I'm also active in cryptocurrency. And for those people who are also interested in reviewing their specific stocks in their portfolio, go ahead and drop a comment because later today I will be recording another video for our daily stock market insights. Okay, so as we speak right now, you would notice that not just for Ethereum, but some of the popular cryptocurrencies, they're also starting to recover. Personally, I'm holding Axie Infinity AXS. I've been staking for since October last year for AXS. I've also provided liquidity for SLP and Ethereum in the Ronin decentralized exchange. So I'm getting just a small revenue every day just for staking and providing liquidity into the pool. Um, but for now, let's just focus our discussion on Ethereum. Ethereum, as you can see here on a weekly chart, we are starting to recover. And this is, for me, in terms of technicals, I am expecting for this to happen right at this level. That is because at a glance, you will see a support right over here. This is the support area I'm seeing for Ethereum on a weekly chart. So if there will be fluctuations, because intraday and as we speak right now, Ethereum is I mean cryptocurrency is ongoing. It's 24/7. So we wouldn't know if intraday it will go back to 1677, but overall I would have to say that we are approaching a possible reversal soon. Okay, so that's on a weekly chart. Now, what may have triggered that is because for the past 3 days we have already started to rally to the upside, but let us say because that was on a weekly chart, intraday or within the week, you might see some pullback that will happen. Okay, so this is already a breakout of this downtrend in the short term, but within the week we could still experience fluctuation over here. See that there's a support right at this level, so it might go back, so maybe it will create something like this and then continue to the upside. But it's nice to also really have you start with a longer time frame so you know the overall sentiment of the market with regards to this token. Okay, so that's my outlook in the short term on a weekly chart. If we will continue to rally, chances are we could be approaching 2510 level soon. Okay, so really promising. I think not just for Ethereum but other tokens we're starting to recover. And just wanna quickly share. So what's new in the eToro platform? This is a feature that's really new. Um, for any latest update, any latest news about a particular stock, a particular token listed in this platform, we get to read some updates there. And I was able to open one, and this could be a major catalyst for the price action of Ethereum in the coming days. So there's a major project, and they call it the merge. And this is, if I may read, because they were able to present it in a clear manner. Ethereum mainnet is due to merge with a beacon chain in 2022, completing the blockchain's transition from proof of work to proof of stake. Okay, so Ethereum is about to transition from a power hungry proof of work system to an environmentally friendly proof of stake system. This switch is known as the merge, and it's coming soon. Here's what you need to know. What is the merge? Ethereum will be changing the way transactions are validated. As of this writing, by the way, I'd like to just recognize this website, decrypt.co. So Ethereum will be changing the way transactions are validated. As of this writing, Ethereum works a little like Bitcoin. Transactions are mined by a decentralized network of computers, which race to solve mathematical puzzles. They're rewarded with new Ethereum coins for doing so. I think this is going to, if the main objective is to transition to a less an environmentally friendly process. So that would mean, if I'm assuming in the past, right? Because this is the downside when you're mining. The common complaint is really the power consumption is tremendous. It's humongous. So I would have to say those miners will greatly benefit from this, and they could, that would end in a positive impact to their potential revenue. So um, where was I? They rewarded with ETH coins for doing so. But this method of computers agreeing on which transactions will be added to a new block known as proof of work is very energy intensive. So Ethereum will soon switch to consensus mechanism that uses far less power and should make the network about 99% more energy efficient. The new system is called proof of stake. Under proof of stake, transactions are confirmed by addresses that have staked, pledged to a smart contract, lots of Ethereum. Those who have staked more Ethereum earn proportionally higher rewards, while proof of stake makes the rich richer. It doesn't burn the world. The Ethereum community has been working on the transition to proof of stake ever since the blockchain launched in 2015. Okay, so just continue reading that. But I think I was reading and I was reading articles ever since. I mean, a few hours ago, and so far, the community who's really monitoring Ethereum, they're looking forward to this change. And lastly, um, there was a one article here that caught my attention as well, that even with the price of Ethereum declining, gas fee declines. This is now on a separate note, and this is just my speculation. They had to also adapt to what's trending, because there are so many competition nowadays, right? uh, Before, I just want to use my experience, because I'm also into Axie, and in the past, we and up to this day, we can only buy Axie using Ethereum, and to transfer Ethereum um, to the Ethereum mainnet, the gas fee is so high, right? But when Ronin, the central exchange, was introduced, it it really cut the fees. I don't know, more than 1,000 times, 1,000%. Super cheap. And what's interesting is I get to link my credit card and just uh, purchase directly from that. I mean, I link my credit card to the Ronin decentralized exchange and continue my purchase. Very convenient. And there are also other platform that serves the same, uh, and they charge lower fees. I forgot the other decentralized exchanges or platform that does that. I know in crypto blades there are a few other platforms that they utilize because another one is MetaMask, right? That MetaMask BSC wallet. So they use that. That's the number one competition. So it really depends on the platform if they're transacting with Ethereum mainnet. But that's a common complaint. Ethereum mainnet has really large or expensive fees. So I think this is a business decision that they had to make because competition is already growing within this industry. So let's see. I think they're trying to gain market share in this space. I just go ahead and read this article. But number one, for me, it's really the merge that is going to be a big catalyst this year for Ethereum. And in terms of technicals, just to recap, we are now approaching the area of potential bounce. Okay, all right, there you have it. If you have other requests, guys, go ahead and drop a comment. I hope you find this um, technical analysis and some updates helpful. For now, thank you and bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe.